Good afternoon, students. Today we will be going through the oral revisions of chapter 6 to 11 brief question answers. I had given it in the blackboard. The student and I have written the question and the student and come and write down the answers. So we will go through it. What are the characteristics of humid subtropical climate? The humid subtropical climate experiences hot and humid summer and mild to cooler winter. It experiences long period of heat and humidity, example northern Taiwan, Japan, etc. What are the factors affecting weather? The factors affecting weather are temperature, precipitation, humidity, cloud cover, sunshine, air pressure, wind direction and wind speed. Then what is humidity? The amount of water vapor present in the air is called humidity. It regulates the rainfall in an area. Then fourth is, what are the characteristics of tropical wet climate? So tropical wet climate is a seasonless climatic zone. Means there is no season over here. Every season is the same over here. It remains very hot and humid. It receives average annual rainfall about 80 inches, for example Central and South America, Africa, etc. Then define tundra region. Tundra is the freezing treeless zone of the earth. It has permanently frozen ground. Means the ground is fully frozen with snow for almost the entire year, called permafrost. Summer is short and winter is very harsh. Then we come to the 7th chapter, short question answers. What are the reasons for high humidity in the equatorial region? The evaporation in rivers, lakes and other water bodies is very high in this area. This increases humidity considerably and causes precipitation. Means the humidity, because of humidity there is more rainfall over here. What kind of agriculture is practiced in the equatorial forest and why? Shifting agriculture is practiced in the equatorial forest after the cultivation for a few harvesting season. The land loses fertility, so they move to newer regions. Then what are the main tribes that live in the evergreen forest? Only a few nomadic tribes live like the Pygmies of Zaire, Semangs of Malaysia and Kobus of Sumatra live in the evergreen forest. Then what kind of plants life is found in the evergreen forest? So the floor of the forest is covered with shrubs, smaller trees, creepers, etc. Various types of ferns are found in the evergreen forest. Some commonly found trees are lianas, kopok, bamboos, coconut, fern, philodendrons and bromeliads. Then which animals thrive in the evergreen forest? So the animals are monkey, chimpanzee, gorilla, squirrels. Then aquatic animals are crocodile, alligators, snakes, turtle, fish and other animals. So then we come to the 8th short question answer. Then we know which is the hot desert. So Sahara Desert, Thar Desert and Arabian Desert are hot desert. Which are the cold deserts? Gobi Deserts, Patagonian Desert, Iranian Deserts. Then location. Deserts cover a large part of the earth between 15 degree to 30 degree north and 15 degree to 30 degree south of the equator. They are located mostly near the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Then how will you classify desert? So it is classified into two categories, that is hot desert and cold deserts. And fifth one is, why do temperatures of day and night show extreme variation in the desert? So the main reason behind the variation of the temperature of day and night is the lack of humidity, because there is no humidity over here. The deserts get heated very fast during the daytime and cools down very quickly after the sunset. Then 9th chapter, brief question answers. What is the location of the grassland region? The temperate grassland are located on both sides of the equator, roughly between 40 degree north and 55 degree north in the northern hemisphere and 40 degree south and 55 degree south in the southern hemisphere. Then animals found in this region, temperate grassland region, it is bisons, gazelle, zebra, rhinoceros, wild horses, lions, wolves, prairie dog, jackrabbit, deer, mice, coyotes, foxes, skunks, badgers, blackbirds, grouses, meadowlarks, and quail, sparrow, hawks, etc., owl, etc. In this you can at least write 6 animals. Okay. Then name the countries that come under the temperate grassland region, that is North America, South Africa, Central Africa, Hungary, Russia, Australia. These comes in the. Then we come to chapter 10. What is the location of the tundra region? So the tundra region is the frigid zone of the earth. It lies between the Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north and the North Pole 90 degree north and the Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree south and the South Pole 90 degree. Then why is the growth of vegetation almost nil in this region? So the tundra region are mostly covered with permanently frozen soil called permafrost, hence vegetation is almost nil. And name some of the animals. So reindeer, caribou, polar bear, ermine, fishes, whales, seals, walruses, etc. And Greenland, and which are the areas? Name the countries that come under the tundra region. So it is Greenland, Scandinavia, Alaska, Canada, Iceland and Russia are some of the countries that come under the tundra region. And how have polar bear adopted the tundra region? So they have thick layers of, मतलब कैसे वो लोग रहने सीख गए यहाँ पर, because they have thick layers of fat under their skin and also have thick coat or fur on their body that help them to adopt the severe cold of the tundra region. Then we have only the 11th chapter left, that we can cover it afterwards. Okay, thank you.